Have you ever experienced a sharp pain on your chest or the sides of your chest, which was particularly worse when you were breathing in or on coughing? This may be because of a condition which is called as pleurisy, in which the layers around your lungs are inflamed. These layers are there to help your lungs expand and contract smoothly without any friction. Now, the situation where there is a slight irritation or inflammation of these layers is called as pleurisy. And pleurisy occurs whenever there is some kind of infection or other underlying conditions. Now, Dr. J. Compton Burnett himself was an allopathic physician, an MD allopathic physician. He shares with us an experience in his youth when he had pleurisy. Like, it was from his childhood, but the pain of pleurisy has lingered for long, and the discomfort was very constant. So he tried all kind of medicines and therapies, but nothing seemed to work. Desperate, when he stumbled upon what these peculiar folks called as homeopaths said about their medicine called Bryonia alba, and how it has a special affinity towards serous membranes, he decided to give it a shot rather than dismissing it, calling it a quack. If you ever feel a constant chest pain or have difficulty in breathing, it's always a good idea to seek the help of your medical practitioner. Now, coming back to Dr. J. Compton Burnett, he had sought the help of many renowned medical practitioners across Europe. He had started exploring homeopathy recently due to his encounter with the curative power of aconite in the initial fever of children. To know more about that, you may check out the previous video. Lo and behold, within 2 weeks of taking Bryonia alba as recommended by the homeopathists, his side was healed and the complaints never returned. He didn't care what the world thought, because he stuck with what cures. So thus, Dr. Burnett gives us a second reason for embracing homeopathy, which is a gratitude-filled nod to old Hahnemann and his Bryonia. He didn't care what the world thought, because for him it was, as the saying goes, what care do I, how fair she be, if she be not fair to me. Well, this was the second reason of those 50 reasons which Dr. Burnett gave for being a homeopath. What do you think about it? Do you think this was a reason enough for being a homeopath? Share your opinion in the comment section below.